There they go, little group of tiny birds sitting in that area. They love it there, musical notes. I'm doing this through the window, which has got some dirt in it from Storm Goretti. Oh, and that's the crow come and chased them off. What a nasty thing. I like crows too. But I like the bee birds. Let's see if we can get to this pigeon without it going out of focus. And there's up here, oh gosh, there's the pigeon here sharing with another bird. Obviously not a crow, or it would have been gone, but not a pigeon either. They're sharing the space nicely. But there's all sorts going on at the other area.